been a while, haven't it? So yeah, today's video is all about signing up to Shopify, how to get started. It's pretty simple, nice beginner friendly video. So let's get started. So first things first, you need an email address, and I prefer to use Gmail because it's like a lot easier to use than many of the others. Has a lot more features as well. Now once you have your email address, go to shopify.com or just click the link in the description below, and while clicking the link, remember to like and subscribe. Alright guys, so once you've clicked the link in the description below, and mind you guys, full disclosure, that is an affiliate link. I do get a little kickback from it, but it doesn't cost you anything and it really helps the channel. Just so you know guys, this account that we're starting now will be one that we use consistently on the store to test new marketing methods, test products, and it will all be recorded. So it's all for the benefit of everyone on YouTube with this store. Once you've clicked the link below, you'll land on a page like this, or one with a huge box in the middle asking you for your email address. If you choose to go to shopify.com, just click start free trial and enter the email address. Alright. Next, you want to create a password. So let me just create one here. And then you want to create a store name. Alright, so our store name will be Amaya's Kitchen. Might edit that out. I might just remove the store name, but you do need to have a store name. I might change this later on. And you click create your store, and just like that, your store is well on the path to being created. So now they'll ask you a couple questions. What are you selling? Not selling products yet, or I'm just playing around. And when you, depending on what you choose, they give you options. Ready to launch in a few weeks. Now depending on your location, because I'm currently in Kingston, Jamaica, so it picks up JMD as my currency, but I'll just change my address to the US and switch the currency. So let's start at 0. And the industry we'll be operating in is looking for food, other food and drink. Okay, are you setting up your store for a client? You use this option if you want to set up a store for a client, and you can skip all these questionnaires. It just helps Shopify to get a better profile on you. And you click next. You enter your name and address. So I'm using my US address. So let's use that one. I'll change this in a bit. You can check this store as a registered business if you want. That's if you have an LLC for your store already, or if it's a trading as, doesn't matter. Alright, so once you've entered your address, click enter my store. And Your store has been created, but there is one extra step that you must do. You need to select a plan. So to select a plan, just click select a plan. Choose the $29 per month plan, and mind you, Shopify won't charge you for 14 days. So you can just go ahead and do this right from the get-go. If you do not select a plan, you will not be able to make your store public. Your customers will not be able to go on your store and check out. Alright guys, and now we are gonna just go ahead and add some card info. And mind you guys, I'll have to just go ahead and make a few edits here, and we'll be right back after the card has been added. Alright guys, once you've added your card, just click start plan, and your store will be ready. So that's how simple it is to create your Shopify store. That's literally all you need to do to sign up for Shopify. Now we will need to go through and actually create a store, because this is what your shop will look like. So we're starting a new series, so we'll go through and we will build out the store, let you guys have a look at it, check out the themes, different apps we use, and we'll be testing and reviewing different apps as well as different marketing methods. So let me know what you want to see next guys, but I think the next video will be the general settings, your Shopify general settings, and after your general settings we will do your policy pages, then your theme, then your collections, and we'll see where we go from there guys. Alright, so thank you so much for tuning in, and once again, like, share, subscribe, it really helps the channel a lot. Link in the description for the Shopify sign up. Alright.